Your Shopify Dev app is installed successfully, but there's one limitation. It can only access orders from the past 60 days. In this video, I'll show you how to enable full order history access for your Shopify Dev app. First, go to your Dev dashboard. In the Dev dashboard, click on the app you want to add the Read All Orders permission to. Now go to the Versions section. Then click Create New Version. In the Access section, click the Request Access link. Here, you'll see the Read All Order Scope permission. Click Request Access. Then enter the reason why your app needs access to the full order history. You can use a reason similar to ours here. After that, click Request Access to submit the request. Shopify usually reviews this request automatically or within a short time. When you see the message, your app can access the full order history for a store, it means your Dev app has been granted the Read All Orders permission. Now go back to the Create New Version tab and refresh the page. Then in the Access section, add the Read All Orders scope. After adding the scope, click Release New Version to save this new version. Next, go to your Shopify admin and uninstall the old version of the Dev app. Then return to the Dev dashboard and reinstall the Dev app using the new version that includes the Read All Orders permission. As you can see, the app now has access to the full order history. Finally, after reinstalling the app, let's check one more time to make sure it can now access the full order history instead of only the last 60 days. And that's it! Your Shopify Dev app can now access the full order history. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to the channel to support us.